Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about two-digit multiplication, that is end with 5 and the sum of the two digits of ones place is equal to 10. Multiplication of numbers shortcut, multiply 35 into 35. I explained here 35 into 35 and multiply 62 into 68. One logic I am going to explain. That logic is applicable to these two types of models. First model is number two equal numbers, that is 35 into 35, number ending with 5, one's digit is 5. And second one is 62, 68. That is, if you add one's digit numbers, that is 2 plus 8, that equal to 10. For this type of problems only this logic will applicable. In this case, the tens digit number should be same, 6 and 6. These two numbers must be same. Yeah, coming to the logic here, and before that, for the verification purpose, I am multiplying 35 into 35 by regular method. So generally 35 into 35, 5 5s 25, 2 and carry here, that is 5, and 5 3s 15 plus 2 17, and 3 15, 1 and 5 here, and 3 3s 9, 9 plus 1 10. After adding we got, that is 1225, that is the answer by regular method. Once check that. That is for the verification purpose I given. Coming to the shortcut method, that is multiply 35 into 35. Step 1. Once look at the steps here. Step 1. Multiply 5 into 5 first. These two numbers you should multiply. 5 into 5. And write it at answer place. This is the answer place. This is answer place. Multiply 5 into 5, that is 25. Write it in the answer place, that is here. That is answer place. Write it here, 25. That is the first step. Next one, add 1 to tens place digit. What is tens place digit here? 3. Add 1 to it. That is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. That is step 2. Next, step 3. Whatever the answer is there, you got that answer, you should multiply with the tens digit number. Tens digit number is 3. That is 4 into 3 equal to 12. That 12 you should write it down at answer place. That is 1225. Once you go and observe that 35 and 35, then you can get the answer 1225. This is the short way. This is the logic which can be applicable for two same numbers which has end with 5 only. Next one, this logic applicable for sum of one's digit numbers is 10 and tens digit numbers are equal. Example I taken here, 62 and 68, 2 plus 8 is 10 and tens digit numbers are, that is 6 and 6 are equal. So this logic is applicable here. First step 1, same logic you may apply here. Step 1, first 2 into 8, whatever the numbers are there, you should multiply these two. 2 into 8, that equal to 16. Write down this 16 at answer place, that is 16 mentioned here. Step 2, whatever the tens digit number is there, you should add 1 to it, that is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Whatever the answer is there, you should multiply this number with the tens digit number, that is 6 into 7. Here tens digit number is 6 and we got the step 2 answer is 7, that is 6, 7 equal to 42. Write down that 42 at the answer place. So now we got the answer 4216. So this is the logic for the numbers which has sum of the ones place is 10 and the tens digits are equal. Yeah. So listen to that video, understand the problem and practice these example problems. Total this column as the problems that is end with 5 I given, and this column sum of two digits is 10. While you are multiplying the numbers, you should verify by the regular method. Okay students, thank you very much.